Hello all my friends, my name is Chris. I'm engineer of 2M2 TANK CNC key cutting machine. Today we will study how to use 2M2 TANK CNC cutting machine to cut this key by a picture. Have you ever had this situation? One day, you meet one of your customers who has lost all his keys, but he wants you to get a new key for him using only one picture of this key on his phone. Let's get started by the only one picture left. Select the option Cut by Bitting. Directly search the key database which you need. Here we search HU66. Click the option. Choose the first one. Go on the first one. Here is the animation of the key installation. Pay attention to the position of key shoulder. Please have a watch. Here is the shoulder on the key. We have to push the key shoulder against the edge of the clamp. After key blank installation, we look for the option Camera. I have the key picture in my phone, so I select Camera. Looking for the picture from my customer. We drag the key to the middle of the frame. Then, make the key vertical without tilting. Next, we enlarge the key until its width aligned with both sides of the frame. Finally, we move the shoulder position to the red line and align it. Move the point to the highest line of each position. If all finished, click OK. Key bittings appeared. Finally, click Cut. Continue. Finished. Try to turn the lock on. It looks perfect.